Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Sam. Hope all of you are doing great today. iOS 12.4 Beta 7 is out for developers, and normally I'm not into covering these small beta updates just because, I want some actual content, cool stuff to show you guys. There is one small change in this update that is new in Developer Beta 7, but really I wanted to talk to you guys about 12.4's release date, as it is very likely that this is the GM Golden Master update, meaning that it is going to be coming out very, very soon. If you guys are excited for this update and the Apple Card shipping alongside it, drop a like down below. Of course, hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. Let's go ahead and jump in. So the major change in iOS 12.4 is going to be the Apple Card. As you can see, Apple Pay Cash has been renamed just to Apple Cash, simply to sort of more be in line with the Apple Card branding. Just very simple, you get Apple Pay, Apple Cash, Apple Card. The one new change in this update does actually pertain to Apple Cash, and it confirms, if you didn't know already, that the Apple Card is definitely shipping alongside this update, because down here you have a new toggle for daily cash notifications. So daily cash is one of the coolest Apple Card features that they added, where the day you spend money on something using the credit card, because you do get cash back, 1% if you use the physical card everywhere, 2% with any Apple Pay purchase in store or online, and then 3% with Apple products, you'll now be notified inside of the Wallet app actually when you're getting that cash and for how much. Before, with Chase, for example, gotta love these guys. They're always trying to scam me out of a couple bucks. Coins take a couple days to be redeemed, and genuinely, I just redeem it for cash back every single time. I don't want an Amazon gift card that they just keep pushing. So with Apple, they're making that really easy. Just go straight to your Apple Cash card, and then you can go out with Apple Pay and spend it again, which is super cool. I use Apple Pay Cash all the time. As you can see, I've got some money sitting in there, and it's just really convenient. So bravo to Apple for doing that. As far as everything else related to iOS 12.4, there aren't any groundbreaking changes, because iOS 13 is in beta. If you go over to settings, you'll know that this is, in fact, 12.4. This is not the very first iOS 12 update. In fact, this will likely be either the last or the second to last update you ever see for devices like the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 6. And that's because iOS 12.4 has pretty much reached full maturation to this point. It's been out for nearly a year, and of course, we got iOS 13 now right around the corner with so many exciting features and changes. I mean, obviously the best one to showcase is dark mode. Everybody is excited for this one. Speaking of iOS 13, when can you expect iOS 13 Beta 4? We've been on iOS 13 Beta 3 for just about 2 weeks today now, if you don't count like the supplemental update that happened in the middle of last week. We should be seeing, I think, a new beta very, very soon. iOS 13 is still pretty full of bugs at this point. I know the YouTube app has been having a lot of issues. Some apps just go unresponsive for me. I'm not saying that as a complaint. I know it's a beta. I'm just letting you guys know that there is some work still to be done on iOS 13. So I would say expect a beta for iOS 13 at the very latest on Monday or Tuesday of next week, or at the earliest just tomorrow on Wednesday the 17th. So I just wanted to let you guys know that whether you're on iOS 12.3 waiting to upgrade to 12.4 or on iOS 13 waiting for a new update, there's new updates coming. iOS 12.4 should be releasing, I would say, as early as tomorrow on the 17th as well, or as late as next week, but iOS 13, iOS 12, going to be seeing some pretty significant updates very soon. So let me know your thoughts about them down below, and of course, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe for more. I've been Sam. We'll talk to you in my next video.